So, first morning of doing this documentary, and my fucking car died. So, that's what we're dealing with today. And because the budget is so poor, I'm my own director, cameraman, and everything. So, you might have to be set down for just a second so I can start my car. And I'm not really sure what I'm doing right now because I know nothing about cars. So, and school starts in about 30 minutes. It's super early in the morning and it's just not good. But that's okay. Watch me destroy Mom's car. The camera's moving so much, y'all are probably gonna vomit. It's the Blair Witch Project of my life. Alright. Jesus. Y'all, my car is a fucking pigsty. Look at this. Look, I just want to... This is a day in life of a college student. Do you see this? Like, plates, like, who just, like, eats their car and, like, throws their plate back there? Apparently, I'm saying college students. It's probably the fact that I'm just disgusting, but whatever. So, all I know is that I'm rolling backwards in neutral. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Okay, apparently brakes aren't that great when it's in neutral. Alright. Damn it. I don't even know where my hood thing is. Alright. Hold on. My parents gave me, when I got my car, parents gave me jumper cable things. Like I know how to use jumper cables. Jumple cables. That is one sign that somebody does not know what they're talking about. Oh, shit. I forgot that you have to pull a little thingy up. Oh, damn. I'm gonna be all disgusting for school. Awesome! Oh, fuck. Okay. Y'all, I'm really scared that I'm gonna get shocked to death doing this. And that just would not be good, would it? So anyway, I am thinking about ending this little video and getting back with y'all after I'm done. Either blowing up my car or getting it to work. So part 2 of this morning, as you can tell, my inside mechanic didn't really work because I'm taking my mom's car to school and I didn't get the battery working in my car. So, with me is my mom because I have to drop her off at work because my car sucks, and I just thought she could say hello. She's gonna be on here a lot. She doesn't know it, but she's gonna be. Want to say hello? Hello. She's very excited about that. So, right now, at least while she's in the car, I guess we're gonna have to put this into another part 3. because she's gonna bitch at me if I'm driving and videoing, which, you know, with my driving, that's probably not a very good thing anyway. So, yeah, see you later.